Hello students, welcome to this video tutorial on strategies to find linear relations note part 2. So we're going to look at section B, use multiplication or division, but we're going to use the same process that we did in the first two examples. Okay, so let's look at the hint here in yellow. What do we do to n to get a? So again, we have our column headings of n and a back. All right, so let's look at the first example. We start with 0, and then we end up with 0. So this is always kind of tricky, because it could be a lot of things. So let's just jump down to the next example. What do we do to 1 to get 4? Now again, look at the section that we're in. This is a good hint here. So if you think you've got an idea, then does it work for this example? What do we do to 2 to get 8? So do you think you have a strategy? Okay, so let's go into this section here. So what is your strategy? Is your strategy multiply by 4? Now again, maybe addition will work, maybe not. But look at the section it's in, okay? So as a note, I'm trying to show you the different types of questions that you'll be asked. Okay, so let's see if this strategy works. So I'm going to change colors of pen here. We always got to check. All right, so if we have 0 and we multiply it by 4, do we get 0? Yes, because anything multiplied by 0 is 0. If we have an n value of 1 and we multiply it by 4, does it work? Yes, it does. If we have an n value of 2 and we multiply it by 4, does it work? Yes, it does. So again, it's very important that you check these three examples with your strategy because it has to work for the three examples. If one of them doesn't work, then this is not the right strategy. Okay, so how would I describe this rule in words? Well, that's pretty simple. So could you finish this statement for me? So how about a number? Pretty easy. A number multiplied by 4, or a number times 4, or 4 times a number quadruple. They will all be good. Okay, so now let's go to the value table. Okay, let's use this rule. 5, actually, again, I'm going to give you a head start, and I want you to complete the value table. So did you get these three values to complete your value table? 20, 28, and 44. 5 times 4 is 20. 8 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is not 28. I apologize. Let's try that again. 32. And 11 times 4 is 44. Okay. So hopefully, if you know what you're doing by now, you're on this section. Write the linear relation as an algebraic expression. Now, the tendency is to do something like this. Okay? But we know by now our rules of algebra do not let us write an algebraic expression like that. So we have to kind of fix this and clean it up to make it look like 4n. Okay? This is the proper way to write this algebraic expression. Even though the n column is first, in the rules of algebra, we always have to write the number first when it's a multiplication statement. Okay? So that's our one example in section B of using multiplication or division. I just figured that I didn't need to put a division question in because they work exactly the same way. Okay, so this concludes this part 2 of this note on strategies to find linear relations. Thanks for watching. Bye.